Hi everyone and welcome to another video in this tutorial series, this time about uploading maintenance contracts. So Clustermarket can really work as your one place of truth for all things around your equipment, whether there is just information, documents and images, but also the maintenance information. So what you can do right now is already upload contracts and assign them to equipment. And that's what we'll be doing in this video. So after you're into your equipment module, simply go to the left on maintenance contracts. You will be able to see your current maintenance contracts, but also be able to add new ones. So I'm just going to go through the process of adding a new one by clicking on add contracts at the top right corner and then specifying first our provider. So this is going to be the contract we have for our centrifuges. So I will just upload it from the Eppendorf service contracts. You can upload any files you want. It will fill out automatically the maintenance contract name from the file name. And then this will actually be valid until 2026. And that's actually end of August. And then you can set a reminder as well to receive an email 30 days before it expires, just so you know you have to take care of it. And in these contracts, we're actually have included PMs, breakdowns and repairs. And then all the centrifuges we have on the platform are actually covered by these contracts. So I'm just going to click add contracts and that's it. So the contract now lives right here. So this is the one we just added. And you can also see now if you go to your equipment, if you edit one of the equipments and you go to the maintenance tab, you will see that your contract is now associated with that equipment. So this is it. You just upload the contracts, you assign them to the respective equipment, and every time you need to know something about your equipment, you just come to Clustermarket and everything is there. You might also have noticed that we have a maintenance contract column in the equipment overview that tells you exactly when the contract is expiring. So you can see that for all the centrifuges, the contract is the same. That's why the expiry date is always the same. And that's it. We hope you enjoy Clustermarket and that you make really good use of the maintenance module to store all the information about your equipment in one single place. Thank you very much.